Today at Elwood Farm Machinery with a Case 844 XL Plus 4-wheel drive tractor fitted with a loader. 4 new tyres all the way around, as you can see. Fully glazed cab. It is road registered for going to the shops also. 3-point linkage, pickup hitch, spools, trailer brakes, PTO, everything that you need. More new tyres this side. In the cab with seat for sitting on. Shut the door away. Running lovely. Self-leveling loader, working very well, as you can see. Lovely. Nice red bonnet. Power steering, so very light indeed. On the rear, hydraulics up, down. I don't think we can, maybe can, hang on. PTO doing a dance maybe just from there. Potentially you can see that working. Very simple and easy to use. Almost like a shuttle gearbox. We're off. We're going. Working handbrake also. First. Second. Third. Fourth. Sounding well. Good brakes. We're going in high now. Oh, that's better. Second. Oh. Handling the bumps there with ease. Wet day for it. Going over the old bumps. And last but not least, reverse. More information available at Elwood Farm Machinery.co.uk on the Facebook page Elwood Farm Machinery. Thank you very much for your time.